I firmly believe that data is the currency of the future. Everything we do creates data. Everywhere we go, we're being tracked, logged, documented. I wouldn't be surprised at all if each of us had our own database assigned to us, indexing what we do, where we go, what we talk about, food we eat, and more. What's that saying? When the service is free, that means you're the product. Something like that. Recently, there have been new ways to manage and even monetize your data. My name's Alex, the Geek of all trades, and this is DIMO. As always, links for all the things that we talk about here today are in the description below, right there under that subscribe button, as well as timestamps will be in the description and along the timeline of the video so that you can skip ahead if you feel the need. The need for speed. Oh, and do me a favor, hit that like button as soon as you learn something today. That helps me know that you got some value from this. DIMO. DIMO stands for Digital Infrastructure for Moving Objects. The AutoPi, which is this little guy, is currently their hardware device that plugs into the car and is essentially the gateway of your car's data to their ecosystem. DIMO runs on the blockchain to establish open identity systems for users, vehicles, and trips, creating incentives to join the network with the DIMO token rewards, allowing users to self-custody their data and choose who they want to share it with. This is huge, by the way, and creates new platforms for apps to be developed for. So DIMO runs using this device, or they make an application that runs for Tesla, which means you don't need this device. Now let's buckle up, plug it in, and start earning some rewards. Initially, I did run into some issues in setting this device up in my car, pairing it to my phone. I worked with their support team and got it resolved with an update they had to push from their end. So it was good to know that I wasn't missing something here. I may not be a smart man, but I know how to follow directions on a box. Now, let's talk about the DIMO app. It really is pretty intuitive the way they set this up. The AutoPi interfaces with your vehicle to pull the data and translate it to an easy to understand dashboard. Now, this is going to show you things like remaining fuel levels, the distance you've traveled with DIMO, your vehicle's current battery voltage, and get this, the estimated value of your car. My Kia's worth how much? Shit. It also shows you your average engine load, error codes, and lets you run a diagnostic check on your vehicle like it's an OBD reader, because it is. So if you're not like me, having a Christmas tree on your dashboard, then you can quickly check what's going on with your vehicle when your check engine light comes on, because mine's on all the time. So I wouldn't know. So clicking the keys in the top corner there will take you to the glove box where you can store images of your title, registration, insurance card, things like that for quick, easy access. If you have 2 or more devices on your vehicles, you can manage them as a fleet and gather information about each vehicle within your fleet, all from one dashboard. The marketplace shows your current DIMO balance, has a bunch of other offers from companies that have partnered with DIMO that you can work with to get goods and services. Most of these you will get a discount or additional DIMO rewards for signing up or working with them through the app. And finally, the account section gives you a code that you can give to your friends and family to use when they sign up for DIMO to give them and you some additional tokens. Speaking of promo codes, I have one of those down in the description below that'll save you 10% on the AutoPi, if you feel like this is something that you want to get into. Back into the app itself, the account tab is where you would go to links to learn more about the project, get direct support if you're having issues, and tracks the activity that you've done with your device. Looking towards the future, they have a new device coming out that's smaller, more compact for the communication gateway for your vehicle, the bite-sized activity tracker and digital companion for your car. And I can't wait to see what else DIMO has in store for us. Their ecosystem is open to new opportunities for development, and they have a trust where money is put aside for new project funding as well. And they're taking a big focus on new hardware pieces for their project that interact with their ecosystem. What are my thoughts on DIMO and the AutoPi? It's a great concept that helps to give you back control of your data. Like I said initially, I do think that data is the currency of the future. There's companies out there, large and small, that want your data for many reasons. A lot of the data that is collected about us every day is either collected and then sold without our consent or even our knowledge. This kind of helps put power back in our hands to control who gets to see our data and when, and data that is collected about us is then monetized. Don't forget, I put links to all of the things down in the description below underneath that like button. And if this is the kind of video that you like to see, consider subscribing to the channel for more like it. So fellow geeks, stay curious, stay connected, and I'll catch you on the next one.